In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a Firefox shortcut to your desktop in just a few easy steps. This is a simple but really useful trick if you want quicker access to Firefox without searching for it every time. Whether you use Firefox for browsing, work, research, or everyday tasks, having a desktop shortcut can save you time and make your computer feel much more organized. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more easy tech tips just like this. Alright, let's jump right into it. The first thing you want to do is open the Start menu if you're on Windows, or open your Applications folder if you're using a Mac. Since this method is based on finding the Firefox application file, you need to first locate the app on your computer. On Windows, click the Start button and begin typing Firefox into the search bar. On Mac, go into your Applications folder and look for Firefox there. Once Firefox appears in the search results, right-click on it and click Open File Location. This is going to take you directly to the folder where the Firefox program file is stored. Now that you're in the file location, look for the file named firefox.exe. This is the actual application file that launches Firefox on your computer. Once you find it, right-click on firefox.exe. From the menu that appears, choose Send to, then select Desktop, and then click Create Shortcut. As soon as you do that, Windows will place a Firefox shortcut right on your desktop for easy access. If you're on Mac, the process may look a little different depending on your version of macOS, but the general idea is the same. Locate the app file and create a shortcut or alias for the desktop. Once the shortcut is created, you can close the folder and go back to your desktop. You should now see the Firefox icon ready to use whenever you need it. Just double-click it and Firefox will open instantly. This is a fast way to make your workflow smoother and keep your favorite browser only one click away. And if this video saved you time, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.